Let's make the feet nails more beautiful. In this part, I want to learn you how to apply the nail wrap on feet nails. Thank you, buddy, for watching this video till the end. Like this video and share it with your friends. Okay, let's start to apply the nail wrap on feet nails and make them more beautiful. Before starting this step in this video, we did pedicure and make the nails ready to apply the nail wrap. We degrease the nail plate and make it ready for a long-lasting nail wrap. After we clean the nail plates, we push the cuticle a little back and put the nail wrap on the wood stick or nail stick. As you can see in the video, we apply it on the nail plate. As you can see, the nail wrap's texture is very flexible and stretchable. It also depends on the texture and brands of nail wrap that you use. My nail wraps are very stretchable and flexible. I can stretch them and fix the size. After this part, we should cut or trim the extra part of nail wrap. I use scissors, but you should be very careful in this step. Don't damage the fingers. I want to tell you a trick to use for nail wrap sizing. You can use paper ruler. Size the nail plates and choose the best nail wrap according to size. We do the same step for this nail. Clean the plate, make it ready for a better and long-lasting nail wrap. I think that nail wraps are more easier than gel polish. I think like that. You may think in another way, but I think nail wraps are more easy to apply, more beautiful, and have a better result, especially for feet nails. But also gel polish will be very beautiful if you do all of the steps correctly and don't make a mess. Okay girl, you can see the beautiful results of nail wrap application. Do it for yourself at home, and if you're a manicurist, do it for your customer. I can't say how they will be happy if they see the results. Thank you buddy for watching till the end. Subscribe my channel and like this video. If you have any question about nail wrap or other nail tech areas, you can ask me in comments. I will answer you as soon as possible because I love you so much. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is nailhousemina. If you subscribe my channel, put the bell on all notification mode to receive the notification of new video sooner than other subscriber.